Hello everybody. So it is finally Friday, thank the Lord. First week back at work and everything. Gracie's singing. So I've just been showing Gracie some of these, look. I've just went to the pound shop and I got a few bits for our vlogmas. Got an inflatable reindeer, an elf hat, these, and 2 gingerbread houses because the kids might be doing something with them. We were gonna do like a competition or something, but like Gracie said, like if I was judging, it'd be clear whose Josh's was and whose hers was. It seems a bit unfair, so I'm not sure what we're going to do yet, but we're going to have some fun on a video with them. So it's bonfire night. Happy bonfire night, everyone. And tonight, me and Gracie are going to do pretty much what we did last year, because obviously last year, was it lockdown? I don't know if it was lockdown or not, but obviously there was no displays on or anything. And Gracie said she wants to do the same, so we're going to get in the hot tub. Cleaned it all out. That was a nightmare. I've cleaned it all out. Piping hot. Well, it was this morning. Hopefully it still is. We're going to have sparklers. I'm going to try and light the fire if I've got enough lighting stuff. Hopefully. And we're going to watch the fireworks in the hot tub. So, because we've been to displays before. Obviously Gracie was a bit younger now, because you're talking at least 2 years ago, but she gets a bit, I don't know, they're so busy, and you know, you stood around waiting for ages, it's cold, dark, and she used to, you know, she'd see a few and then just be bored. So I thought, well, there's no point in paying and going for that, because it's not really my cup of tea either. So we're going to sit in the hot tub and watch them, and we're going to make our own chocolate apples as well. So yeah, so it is, what time is it? I'll say hi.
Hi. Toilet.
Gracie's going to the toilet. It's 5:30. We've just got in from dance and that. So I'm going to put on some hot dogs and tidy up a little bit and then get our swimming stuff on and get ready. Okay. Gracie's got actual sausages because she doesn't like hot dogs. And I've got these vegetarian sausages to try. I got them today from Iceland. They're meant to be really good. They're like a hot dog style. So I'll see what they're like. So yeah. Let's talk in. Those vegetarian hot dogs that I had were absolutely beautiful. Really nice. I'm definitely going to have them again. I think they were fries.
There's a miracle.
And there's a miracle happening. This is when you know they're scared. Evie's not so bothered, but Betsy's really scared of all the fireworks. I've put the calming music on for cats in the background, but look at
Evie.
Betsy came and sat next.
She's scared. And look at Evie.
Evie had to go at her at first, but then Betsy just settled and she's allowing it now. You don't like the fireworks, do you, Bet?
She's got her leg out, look.
Oh, yeah.
Her leg, and then she's like, that!
What are you doing? Are you chilling? Betsy. When we go outside, I'll keep that music on for them, shut the doors and that, and... Right, we need to go get our...
swimming costume, because the fireworks start at 7. Wow! And it's 25 to 7. Wow! Oops, sorry, Evie.
She's gone.
Betsy.
Right, come on then, let's go get our stuff and towels and whatnot. Right, I think I've got everything sorted. I don't know if this fire pit's going to work because a lot of the stuff's damp.
Oh, that was loads of beautiful ones.
What's that? Zip your coat up, please, and put your gloves on, ready for your sparkler. We're doing sparklers and bikinis. Well, swimming costumes. But, so we've got coats on, but come here. We've got legs. Legs. It's only legs.
It's my pants.
I know, I won't show you pants. I'll do it top half. Yeah, so we'll light the fire pit thing and see if it works. It may not. Yeah, we'll see how that goes. Actually, I need to light it a bit more.
Mum, what if it comes out?
It won't, it's all safe in there, don't worry.
That's what I worry about. What if it comes out and we get burned to death?
It won't. Right, you got your gloves on?
In case it goes on. Mr. Tate said, on a sparkler, if it goes on your hand, it doesn't hurt you at all.
Yeah, it probably wouldn't hurt, no. But if it's just a little thingy wongy.
Wait, which bit? Is it that bit?
This end you hold.
Oh, I thought it was that bit. Whoa! Oh yes, I saw that one. He said you have to go really far out like that.
Away from your body, yeah. Ooh, look. It looks lovely.
Mum, like this. Name?
Yeah. That's it. Write your name then.
I am.
Oh, very small. Can't you do it bigger?
But just hold me now. I wanna be so much better whenever you're around. I wanna say something clever to get in your mind. 'Cause right now we're not together and I lose my way then. Oh, I feel so much better whenever you're around. Whenever you're around. Yeah, yeah. Whenever you're around. Whenever you're around.
Cool, isn't it? Pretty.
like
Can you feel the warmth?
It's like cartoon.
Ooh. I love it. The warmth. You want to do a marshmallow?
Yes, please. Look.
Oh, I can see mine starting to singe. You see it when it starts going brown.
Ma. Toasted marshmallows is better than normal marshmallows. Because it's like more melted and warm. Whoa! You see that one?
Yeah.
Hi!
Every moment tonight, they led me to you. Every single time you look at me, I lose it too. Why don't you come sit next to me? Let things happen naturally, like it used to be. I don't wanna go and waste another day. Mess it up again, lost in my way. I'll be the one to help.
You're in. Oh, can I do that? What you doing?
I thought something was wrong. You seem to stay down all the time.
Yeah, I can't. I can stay down with you.
Oh, okay. I thought you died.
I'm scared. Holiday. What?
Down there.
No, what's that?
Can you get it? Because
No.
if I get my hand wet, I can't hold the camera. Is it a bit of mud? What is it?
It's poo.
It's not, well, unless you've pooed yourself.
Look, I can't
Don't
see.
put it in my face.
I can't see.
Right, just put it over the hot tub. I can tell you for sure I haven't pooed. I know I said that firework made me jump, but I didn't go that far.
It scared me again.
I did a Catherine wheel one year.
It scares me every time.
And it set the fence on fire. You know that? Have I ever told you that?
You definitely didn't tell me about a minute ago. Definitely not. Guys, look. It's air. Mum, can I say hi to them?
Who?
The people. Miss Lauren.
She can't see you, there's a fence.
Yeah.
You're just going to go up to the fence and go, hello.
And they'll be like, Who's that? Oh, hi Gracie. Oh. And I'm in my PE costume. What's it called? Swimming costume in November. Oh yeah, there's a song. Remember, remember the 5th of November. Nothing's better than November.
Oh.
So the song goes like that.
I thought it was remember the 5th of November.
It's that and then
something else. They're not vampires. Trees and I don't know.
So busy. That? Yeah, I think so. That scared me.
Oh, they're nice.
Wow. Wow.
Oh, wow. Something's afoot here.
What?
Something's afoot here.
That makes no sense.
Oh, excuse you.
Guys, look, there's a thing like this. Come on. Can you move your legs, please? It's a thing like this. I'm going to hold my hand. I'll just do. Sorry. Oh. So, there's a thing like this. It's only little, it doesn't smash.
Very good.
What you need to do is start. Whoa!
Oh, look at that.
It scares me.
Oh, we're all done in the hot tub. We got out and we both got in the shower straight away, washed our hairs, and yeah, we're in our jimmy jammies now. I've just gone and covered all the hot tub up and everything. That's the worst part, getting out and, you know, just traipsing through the kitchen wet. I could lay loads of towels on the floor, I suppose, but then it's just more washing. They're my slippers. Excuse me. Right, do you want to do your chocolate apples?
Yes, please. I'm just going to put my pen back.
So, excuse the wet hair, I'm just letting it dry naturally. I'm knackered, I tell you. Right, let's put this tripod on.
So, I just want to show
Hi guys! How you doing?
I want to show you something which I made at home all by myself.
Oh, sorry. Yeah? Oh my god.
And basically, you've got confetti and glitter in the bottom, and then you've got this little rainbow figure, green powder to make it green, and then you've got stickers that you can decorate it, but then you can't really see what's inside. So I thought I'd leave it, and it's meant to light up, but we can't light it. And look, wow! If you shake it, woo! So I'm gonna have that in the background of videos more, maybe in the vlogmas and stuff like that. Yeah, go and check out the vlogmas as well, which will be.
It's not up till December. Vlogmas starts on the 1st of December, so you can tell them to tune in for that.
Yeah, tune in for that. I'm going to leave this in the background here. Where can I sit?
You can go put these in the microwave if you want.
What? I don't know.
Do you want to do white and chocolate or just one tonight?
Oh wow.
Yeah, there's a lot, isn't there?
Please can I just do chocolate?
Yeah. Want to pour them in here then?
Yeah.
That's a lot of chocolate. That needs to go in the bin.
I'll take that.
And
Where's
then,
the lid?
I don't think you really need the lid on, to be honest.
You're not sure?
No, because you're just going to put it in the microwave.
How many minutes?
1 minute first of all. Yes, we're going to do these and then I think we're going to go watch Coronation Street and then Gracie will be going to bed. And I probably won't be long after. Josh has gone to a rugby club near us that do fireworks. So he's gone there. And yeah, that's our bonfire night done with. Well, it's not, because we're going to do these and sit in front of the TV. No, because you need to stir it and then put it in again. Otherwise, if you put it on too long, it will burn chocolate, won't it?
Yeah, it's already burnt.
It's not burnt. That's it here. No, use this.
Oh, cool.
Oh.
That's what I mean. What's happened? It's turned into chocolate mousse. Hasn't it?
Well, that bit has burnt.
It's burnt.
It's caught a bit on there. The rest of it's alright, so don't worry. Oh, that's not very good because you followed. Well, you might have put it in a bit longer than a minute. It's alright because we don't need this much chocolate anyway. That should be alright. Right, give it a mix. Oh, do you want to mix it?
Can I? Thank you.
And then I don't think it will need much longer, maybe 30 seconds and mix and then 30 again. Careful. This spatula, I'll hold it for you while you go put it in for another 30.
30?
Yeah.
Okay, so I need to. I do have to close it.
Yeah.
What do you have to do?
Micro power, how you did it earlier.
Micro power.
Yeah. Now turn the knob to 30. So.
Wait, do we keep the chocolate on it or like freeze it?
Pardon?
Do we put then on in the fridge?
No, I don't think so. I think you can just leave it set.
It's going to be hard to put
Right, you're going to dip it in. Dip it in your chocolate.
Shall I like do it on the sides as well?
Yeah, get it covered. If you want to use that one to get
That's
it on,
fine.
you can now.
It's fun doing this. Oh, it looks good.
And then you've got sprinkles here if you want to put it in sprinkles.
How do I move?
Right, so now put it in there and then let it dry. Lovely jubbly. We're not going to do loads because we just won't get through them, will we? But you could do 2 more white ones another day if you want. Yeah? Is that good? I can't eat anymore. I've had about 4 of them dipped. It's good though. Gracie just said, Mum, you've got chocolate down your face, and I got my phone to look and I had like chocolate dripping down there. Good times. Yeah, we're all snuggled up, watching Corrie. And it's 10:15 already. Have you enjoyed bonfire night?
Yes, thank you.
Good. It's been nice.